So learning is there by observation. There is no problem in that. If you are a living being, the first survival tool is learning by observation. It is automatic. But a child comes with two qualities, and all the children in the world have these qualities. हर बच्चे के अंदर होते हैं अंतरात्मा. आपके अंदर भी है अंतरात्मा, मेरे अंदर भी है एक अंतरात्मा. वो अंतरात्मा कैसे है वो आप खुद जानते हैं. दुनिया का परिचय नहीं है. लेकिन बच्चों जो स्कूल आते हैं, घर पे होते हैं, हर बच्चे के अंदर जो अंतरात्मा होते हैं वो 100% प्योर अंतरात्मा है. उसमें कुछ भेजाल नहीं है. आप सोचिए इसके बारे में. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर आवर वैल्यू एजुकेशन. And if each child has a conscience, you and me have a conscience. All the 125 crore Indians have a conscience. And it's very important to understand that. If 125 crore Indians have a conscience, where is that conscience available, documented, listed out, if at all? So the conscience of 125 crore Indians, for us, fortunately, is listed in our constitution, a tremendous contribution by our founding fathers and founding mothers in the Constituent Assembly debates you have gone through. You can go back as a child, student, coordinator and others, that the conscience of the Constitution, where is it listed? So when we do education, first part is 100% conscience, where does it travel? Second part is the conscience of the individual has to be in resonance, in orchestra with the conscience of the nation, both ways. And the nation has to be in resonance with the conscience of the individual. There has to be a jugalbandi between the two. In a regular school, the teacher has every opportunity to ensure that the child imbibes every aspect of education which is for peace and sustainable development and also learning in that process. But NIOS does not have it. And NIOS includes any open distance forms, whether it is IGNOU, whether it is open universities in the states or elsewhere. NIOS does not have it. That environment for a classroom, for interaction between the student and the teacher on a sustained basis, on a daily basis, is not there. Whereas NIOS deals with the most difficult area of children's education in terms of the fact that you deal with children who in the normal course may not be able to attend regular classes for various reasons. It could be you deal with the most difficult area, but you have very few opportunities to sustain a pathway for education for peace and sustainable development. That environment is not there on a sustained basis. But if education does not deliver this aspect, any amount of learning in physics, chemistry and others is no education. You can get 100% in physics, but if the end result is a terrorist, the purpose of education is not done. So where does NIOS come into ensuring what is the first and foremost primary goal, and then all other things flow from that? And that is what will define the future character of NIOS.